In this video, we will discuss an overview of sheet sets. If you'd like to follow along with this video, open the file with SheetSet Manager. SheetSet Manager is a functionality of AutoCAD. It is your one-stop shop for managing your project's sheets. Civil 3D leverages SheetSet Manager to aid you in plotting your sheets, and you can use AutoCAD fields to leverage title block automation. Let's open up SheetSet Manager right in the Getting Started window in AutoCAD. You can open up SheetSet Manager right here in the Quick Access toolbar, and then let's go ahead and navigate to that SheetSet file that's located in our project location, drawings, sheets, and then proj-1.dst. Click open, and now we have our DST file with all of our sheets in this project. Let's go ahead and just double click one of the cross-section sheets, and we'll examine what's going on with the title block and attributes and fields. Just double click one of those sheets, and that'll open up this drawing with that layout active. Let's turn auto hide off temporarily here. Now, if we zoom in here, you'll notice we have these gray areas within our title block. This tells you that these are AutoCAD fields. Now, the pound signs are there because these fields are not being populated with any information because the information is not set yet. Note that these fields are in a title block, which is a block, and within that title block, they are attributes. That is a key thing you have to remember when you set this up. Once you do this once, you're good to go for any future projects. Let's go ahead and select the title block. Right-click and go to Block Editor. If we zoom in, these are attributes. To see what's inside these attributes, you can simply double-click them. If I double-click this one here, and then you'll notice in the default value, here are the pound signs and this gray field. Double-click it to see what's in this field. So this field is using the SheetSet category, and it's going to populate this field with the current SheetSet project name that is associated to this drawing. We have not yet defined this, and we'll do so in this video to show you exactly where to do it. Click OK. Click OK again. Let's peruse some of these other ones here as well. Let's go ahead and double-click this one here, and this one's using a custom SheetSet property. So let's go ahead and see what that custom SheetSet property is by double-clicking the gray field. This is called Project Space Address Space 1. Let's remember that. We're going to create this as a custom property in our DST file to automate the address. Click OK. OK again. And we'll just do one more here. Double-click this one, double-click that one there, and this is the current SheetSet project number. So again, we're going to remember to populate these, and it'll then update in each drawing as long as the title blocks have those attributes set with those fields automatically for us. You'll notice that there are some additional fields also being used. For instance, the date here will be used as an attribute, and it'll automate that when you plot it as well. Go ahead and click on Close Block Editor, and you can save your changes. Now we need to edit the SheetSet properties to be able to populate those fields. Let's turn auto hide on temporarily. The way that you interact with anything in the SheetSet Manager is you right-click on the different categories. So let's go ahead and right-click on Proj1, the main name of the file, and go to Properties right here. As you can see, here's the project number, etc. So we can actually go ahead and edit these. So if we click on the project number here, we can actually type it in. So let's do so. Let's say our project number is 1234-56. Our project name will be Bypass US1. And now we want to start editing those custom properties. So let's click on Edit Custom Properties, and notice how Project Address 1 and Project Address 2 are not here. We can simply add them. So let's go ahead and add them by typing in the exact syntax that we saw in the field. So Project Address 1, and give it your address. And let's go ahead and add in Project Address 2. And again, give it a value of some sort. Click OK, and simply do a Regen All, REA, and that will update all the fields automatically. If you've ever had to edit every single sheet in a project, you know how time-consuming that can be and how automating this is just saving you a lot of time. If we scroll to the right here, you'll notice that there's some additional things going on here with automation. It's doing the file name, it's doing the date that it's plotted, and so on. This should start at sheet number 20, but it's starting at sheet number 1 because of when we created it, we forgot to tell it which number we wanted to start it at. First off, we can change this to say, instead of section view group 7, we can just have it say cross sections. Just simply right-click on here and choose Rename Subset. And we'll call this subset Cross Sections. Click OK, and now that's renamed. Now to rename and renumber the sheets, you simply right-click on the actual sheet and click on Rename and Renumber. AutoCAD provides a really nice interface to simply allow you to rename and renumber very quickly. number it there, click Next. This gets highlighted automatically. Just do 21, next, 22, next, 23, next, 24, next, and then 25. Click OK, and just simply do a regen all, and automatically the sheets are renumbered. Now remember, we use the same exact title block with these sheets as well. So in theory, if I open up one of these roadway sheets, they should also update with the field information. So let's go ahead and double click roadway 1. And if we zoom in, voila, all of this is getting updated automatically. And when you go to plot, it'll simply plot everything for you.